What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Now I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail before you clicked on the video, but I am super excited to get these stock bars off of the bike and get these factory 47 14-inch ape hangers on the bike. Now apparently you can keep the stock cables on your bike with a couple little tricks. I haven't done it on a bike before, but we're gonna work through it today. Now in addition to these new bars, I also picked up these ODI Hard Luck red grips. Now hopefully I'm not sticking my foot in my mouth, but these bars came pre-wired, so they shouldn't be that hard to put on. Let's find out. Now to play it safe, we're gonna go ahead and remove this main fuse. Alright, and with a flathead screwdriver, we're gonna lightly stick it in this notch that's right here and press up against it, and it should just pop right, yeah, it should just pop right off. Okay, now with the T25 Torx bit, we're gonna go ahead and get the two screws out on each side right here, so we were able to push the gauge cluster off. Now I should just be able to turn this to accessory and lightly pull up on it. There we go. Alright, now I know it's hard to see from this angle. I'll show you guys afterwards where you're going to have to disconnect them from. But there's 3 connection points here. Go ahead and disconnect them. Right here. Right here. And then this one right here is upside down. It's a little hard to get to. Just fish your finger around and you can get it disconnected. Now we already did this a few weeks ago, but in order to make the clutch lever and the brake lever supposedly extend out more, you got 2 little zip ties that are on here. Go ahead and break those loose and get rid of them. Now let's disconnect some of these wires. Alright, now that we got all those wires taken out, let's go ahead and move on to the clutch and brake levers. On both sides, be very easy on this wire and all these wires. Everything in here feels really delicate, so take your time. Alright, let's go ahead and get these bars off. Alright, now the new bars go on. Now, I forgot to mention earlier, and it's kind of hard to see, but there's 2 clips that are in here for the brake and the clutch cable. You're going to have to pull them back and free them up, and you should be able to move the clutch and brake lever up a little higher. Okay, now that the bars are on and secure for the moment, we'll adjust them later. Let's go ahead and get this thing put back together. Alright, now I put the main fuse back in, but before we go ahead and snug everything back up, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the controls work. Alright, everything looks in order. I'm going to go ahead and snug everything back up and get back with you guys in a minute. Alright y'all, so it's been a few days since I put these bars on. I even took it on a ride. Got a video on that coming up a little later hopefully, but I tightened everything up and I'm really digging the look of the bike. Anyways y'all, if I haven't said it already, these stock cables do fit on this bike and fit up pretty nicely. It is extremely easy to put it in. I am by no means a professional, just a do-it-yourself in the garage kind of guy, and these were simple to put on. Legitimately plug and play. If you all haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment if you got any questions. Thanks for tuning in to another video, y'all. See you on the next one.